How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the ShowTune Bot, which is under the content and media section. So like I said, there's 4 sections and each sections have bots tailored to that section, and the ShowTune is tailored towards the content and media section. So we'll be going over that today. So if you guys are ever bored, whether it's a movie, whether it's music, whether it's events, you don't know what to listen to or you don't know what to do when you have friends over, this is the perfect AI bot to use because this AI bot gives you recommendations, it gives you basically shows to watch, music to listen to, events, and all these type of stuff, and gives you ways on how to entertain yourself. It's called ShowTune for a reason. So if you guys need help when it comes to certain things like that, this AI does that perfectly. So for example, if I have let's write out a prompt. I have my friends over and they all want to watch a horror comedy movie, but we don't want it to be really long. Can you give us a movie and a game we can play together after the movie to keep us entertained? So as you can see over here right now, it gave me a response just like that. I have a suggestion for your movie now. You could watch What We Do in the Shadows, a hilarious horror movie that runs for about 1 hour and 26 minutes. It's fun. It's a fun mockumentary about a group of vampire roommates navigating modern life while trying to maintain their ancient traditions. After the movie, you can play a fun game called Werewolf or Mafia. These games are great for larger groups and will keep the entertainment going with plenty of laughs. So as you can see, I asked it some entertainment questions and it gave me a response. So for example, I could add on to this and ask other questions like, I'm currently traveling. I'm on a car ride for 12 hours. I want to watch something that can keep me. I'll give me a show that I can watch within these 12 hours that doesn't end quickly, and it'll give me a show that I can watch within that 12 hour period. So you just have to give things that are according to you and only you, and recommendations based on what you want on your personal things. So if you have any questions on this, come towards that AI pin and comes to ShowTune Bot and have it help you out. Thank you.